Hi, I'm Rebecca Prince for Stereotude. Rihanna may be canceling shows because she's sick, but apparently she isn't sick of taking jabs at Ciara. The girls who have been feuding since 2010 can't stop taking jabs at one another on social media. While Ciara was out promoting her new album, the interview turned to Ciara's long-running beef with Rihanna. Ciara called Rihanna nuts, claimed she had no idea what Ri's problem was, and made it clear that she has no beef with anyone. Of course, Rihanna was quick to respond on her Instagram after someone posted the story. Rihanna wrote, "How you gonna hate from the outside? Thanks for the free promo, sis. When will they start asking her questions about her?" Ciara then took to Twitter to fire back her responses, saying, "I am baffled. The obsession really makes no sense. This is getting out of hand." Cece continued, "Somebody please point her in the right direction because clearly she needs love and affection." Ciara was of course quoting Rihanna's Love song, which also happens to feature her boyfriend Future. So we all know who those tweets are about, but what do you guys think of this social media war of words? Tweet us at Stereotude or comment on our Instagram.